Dun, 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 dun. Hello, everybody. This is Joe Apfelbaum. Welcome to my LinkedIn Live. I love going on LinkedIn Live. One of the reasons I love going on LinkedIn Live is so that I can have real conversations with people in real time. I am now live, and today's topic is I want to talk about the idea of using templates on LinkedIn. Let me quickly show you what I'm doing here on LinkedIn. I'm going to scroll here to my recent posts. I click on my profile, and I scroll down to the section over here called activity. Then I click on activity, and I scroll to the bottom. I click on show all posts. Okay, so the first one you're going to see over here is my current LinkedIn Live. I'm going to drop a comment. I'm going to leave a comment on this live. Let's go. Tell me where you are dialing in from. Okay, I'm going to press post, and I'm going to post that comment right here. Now, if I scroll down, there's another post right over here. This post is a Mother's Day post. I'm so grateful that I have the most amazing, the most loving, caring, wonderful mother. I'm helping my mother manage her LinkedIn, and I created an AI automation to reach out to other moms on LinkedIn. So let's talk about templates for just a minute over here and how templates work. So I gave you a few templates to use to send people happy Mother's Day wishes. So you see over here it says professional template, professional tone, wishing you a very happy Mother's Day. May your day be filled with joy and celebration. It's a wonderful occasion to acknowledge the amazing work you do both at home and the career. And then inspirational tone. Happy Mother's Day. Your ability to balance professional and is truly inspiring. On Mother's Day, I want to celebrate your role as a leader. Da, da, da. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this one over here. Copy this, so check this out. And then I'm going to go into Evi AI. So this is Evi AI here. There's a little logo here on the top right corner. You may not see it. But if I click on it, this pops up. I could click on View All Saved Profiles, and I can see all the profiles that I saved inside Evi AI. You see, I saved a bunch of profiles over here. So for example, if I want to be able to find all the people that are in JVMM, I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to type in JVMM. I'm going to click this. I'm going to press Apply. Now it's going to show me all the people that are in JVMM. So I'm going to find the women that are in JVMM. For example, Jessica. I'm going to press See All. I'm going to go here, see where it says See All Activity here. I'm going to click on See All Activity. It's going to load all of her activity in one place. Now what I can do is I can drop a comment very quickly here. You see she has all these people commenting on her posts. I'm going to drop a comment, use my AI. It's going to load the AI here. I'm going to press Generate, just like that. And it's going to generate a response to her post. Okay, this is a good response here. I like this response, so I'm going to go ahead and use this response inside the post. I'm going to press Insert. I don't know if you guys can see the Insert button, but let me just raise this just a little bit. You see it says Insert there. I'm going to press Insert. I'm all zoomed in so you can see everything. I'm going to press Post. I'm going to read this real quick. It looks good. I'm going to press Post. Okay, now I posted a comment very quickly. Now if I want to message her, I press the Message button. This pops up. I'm going to paste this on Mother's Day. I want to celebrate your role as both a mother and a leader. But I want to use this as a template and just use Evi AI right here as a template. You see there's a little template box over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new template. So where do you add templates into Evi AI? How do you do that? How do you add templates? You see this little plus sign on the bottom? You may not see it. Let me move to this right. You see right over here there's a little plus sign on the bottom of the template thing, a little blue plus sign. I click on that. It opens up where it says eviai.com/add new template. So I'm going to call the template name Mother's Day. Mother's Day DM. Now I'm going to go here. I'm going to click message because I tag it as a message. You can tag it as whatever you want. I'm going to press enter. Over here, paste this in. And I'm going to press save template on the top, the purple button. And now it saves the template. So if I want to message anybody, for example, if I want to message Jessica, I can close out this DM. Right over here, if I want to message her, now I could just select it from that little box. So I'm going to click on message. It'll pop open her thing. I'm going to click this little purple icon on the bottom. And I'm going to select this particular template right here. Mother's Day DM. I'm going to press insert. And it's going to say this whole thing here. I'm going to press send, and now I just sent her this template. So now, if I want to be able to search for, say, all the mothers that I'm connected to, so for example, I have Christina Leitner here, and I want to send her a Mother's Day message, I just have to click on message here, and then I could select this little box over here, this little EVAI box, and then you see the template thing here, right over here on the side. I just click on this template thing, I press insert, it inserts that template, and I hit send. I don't have to use AI or anything, I'm just using a template feature that EVAI happens to have built in to the system. Okay, so just like that. So I told her, on Mother's Day, I want to celebrate you as a leader, both in your family and your professional community. May your day be as rewarding, as fulfilling as every project we tackle together. Okay, so I do that. Now, if I want to take another template, let's say I say, okay, you know what, that one's nice for people that I'm close to and that I'm tackling projects together. If I want to find something that's maybe empowering, your strength and dedication inspire those around you every day. Enjoy your well-deserved recognition today. Or this month reflecting on the powerful influence of work on mothers like yourself. Or Happy Mother's Day, your relentless energy and commitment sets you apart. Hope you get a chance to be unwinding in some well-earned peace and happiness. Sending you more wishes on this Mother's Day. It's a great time to celebrate and take part of your dual role as a mom and professional. Okay, so I could use this if I want. I'm going to just modify it a little bit. And I want to say as a role, may your day as a role that makes project tackle together. Happy Mother's Day to balance professional services, encouraging and bringing recognition you truly deserve. Okay, so I'm going to use this inspirational one because that's my tone. My tone of choice is inspirational. I'm going to go to templates over here. I'm going to add a new template. I'm going to call it Mother's Day DM Inspirational. I'm going to select message. I'm going to paste it in here. Happy Mother's Day. Your ability to balance professional and personal life is truly inspiring. Hope your day brings you recognition you truly deserve. Yes. Today we celebrate all women. Okay, I'm going to press Save Template. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and search. So now let's say, for example, I want to search for Sarah. I just search Sarah, just like that. I do first degree people. And now I have 167 Sarahs that I can send this message to. You see that? There's so many different Sarahs here. Now, I don't know for a fact that every single one of these Sarahs are, in fact, married or have kids or are mothers, but there are many that I know that are mothers. Many that I know. And so the ones that I know for a fact are mothers, I can send them this template. The ones that I don't know, I can have a little bit more of a vague template that I send that doesn't indicate that they're a mother. You see that? So many people here that I'm going through. And, you know, that's the hack that I teach, how to find people based on gender. You know, think about it that way. 100% of these people that are here are mothers. So I know Sarah's a mother. I'm definitely going to send her this Mother's Day template over here, this inspirational one, insert, send. And it just saves a lot of time when I'm going through my connections and wanting to send them messages. So if I want to tie in something to what was said before, I can easily do that. Sarah Lassery, she's for sure a mother. You see that? I can send her a message. Sarah Sears is a mother. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into Sarah Sears here. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to go here, and this way I'm going to show you how to include I'm going to hit generate, and what it's going to do is it's going to read the conversation we had before, Sarah. Okay, so now it goes back to the demo, which I don't love. I don't love that it's going back into having a conversation about the demo. I got a little confused over there, the AI. Okay, I'm just going to hit insert right now for this, just like that. This way it doesn't continue the conversation. But as you can see, you go through this. Now, if you have a CRM with everyone's LinkedIn URLs in it, you can use an automation to go through, and if you have everyone tagged in there by gender, then you can just select the gender and say Happy Mother's Day, especially if you know that they're a mother. you can tag them as a mother, and this way every single year on Mother's Day you could just pick all your mothers, boom, hit them up, hit an automation, and now you hit every single mother that you're connected to that you know for sure is a mother, and you're able to stay top of mind with many people. So if you're not taking the time to connect with people, build relationships with them, and reach out to them on their birthdays, it's a huge missed opportunity. If you're not reaching out to them on their anniversaries, huge missed opportunity. If you're not reaching out to them when it's a special occasion like Mother's Day, huge missed opportunity. So highly recommend you go ahead, consider building that list for yourself, and then using automations. Automations only work well if you are strategic with those automations. A lot of people are not using automation correctly, and they're kind of missing out on the opportunities that are available to them. So that's how you use templates briefly. There are other ways to use templates as well, which I'm happy to show you. If you guys are watching this live and you're enjoying this in particular, just let me know that you're enjoying this and that you're going to try out Evie AI. You can go to evyai.com. We just updated our website over here, so we have two options. We have the Chrome extension and we have the app, and we have a lot of really great features here that we're now highlighting on our website. You can write a post, you can save profiles, you can optimize your content in your voice. We have a comment generator, a post writer, a recommendation creator, a messaging helper, a profile optimizer, a connection customizer, and we have countless testimonials that you see available right over here that you can read. We were just featured on Fortune, so we have the updated logo there. And of course, if you'd like to upgrade, we're running a special deal. For those that want to upgrade right now, we are running a special deal. So definitely check out our blog. We also have a community that you can join as well. If you're interested in information about the community, just write the word community in the chat, and I'll be more than happy to send you some information about that. Back to LinkedIn briefly. I want to show you a cool feature to be able to get a top voice badge. So if you go to linkedin.com/advice, that's called collaborative articles, and you can get a top voice badge for any of these topics. In this case, I'm going to click on sales. Actually, you know what? I want to see if they have one for sales automation. Let's see, they have sales development, social selling. I like social selling. Let me see all topics. I'm going to go down to see if they have automation. Let's see if they have automation. Okay, they don't. I can't search. I can just search LinkedIn there, but it's not letting me search through these collaborative articles. Let me do Control F. Automation. Automation. Look at that. Automation. Automation. Ooh, I like this. Oh, there's not a lot of people talking about automation here. Okay, so let's try and get a badge for automation. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bookmark this page right here. And I'm going to change it from here to LinkedIn. So I just bookmarked this as a potential goal. So let's mark the date. Today's May 12th. We're going to try to get a badge for automation. So we're going to start contributing. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to use Evie AI to drop a comment here about related to automation. I'm going to make it educational, conversational. I'm going to use my Joe Apfelbaum persona. And I'm going to drop a few perspectives here. So as a marketing area, it has the importance of choosing the right automation, web scraping, PHP, Okay, that's cool. All right, so now I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to pick the next one. Use parallel asynchronous requests. Handle errors. Ooh, I like this one. I'm going to hit reply. I'm going to generate a reply in here as well with artificial intelligence. Let me see. Oh, that's not bad. I'm going to add my perspective to this one. Okay, let's add our perspective to that one. I'm going to hit generate. It's going to generate a reply now. It's going to actually read these collaborative articles and drop a beautiful reply, just like that. Okay, so that's number 2. And number 3. Number 3, add your perspective. Here, boom, add perspective. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure that you get people to like your perspective. So I have a community that I'm part of where I can always make requests from people to help me out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my community right now. This is my community. It's the Engaged Thought Leaders community right over here. So what I'm going to press write something. I'm going to click Social Booster here. And then I'm going to say, can you help me get a top voice badge for automation? Here are 3 posts you can comment on, please. Oh, you can like. You can like to move them up in the rank. Thank you for your support. Okay, so now I'm going to go here. I'm going to click on these 3 little dots on the side here. I'm going to press copy link to contribution. Then I'm going to go into the community. I'm going to paste 1. Okay. Perspective 1. Then I'm going to do perspective 2. And then I'm going to do perspective 3. Okay? I'm going to put each one in here real quick. Let's go in here. I'm going to close this, close this. That was perspective 1. This is perspective 2. Click on the 3 dots, copy link to contribution. Put it in here. This is perspective 2. And this is perspective 3. So let's grab that. Perspective 3 is here somewhere. Here it is. 3 dots, copy link, paste it in here. So now I'm going to go here. I'm going to make sure it makes sense. And I'm going to thank you for your support. Today is May 12th. Let's see how long it takes for me to get this badge on this category, on this new category. Okay, let's see. I'm going to click here. I'm going to go to the top of the category. I'm going to click on it. This way it'll remind me the link that I need to go to, because you have to focus on one category. I'm going to press post, and now my community is going to get this right here so that they can help me out. Okay? Now we have lots of other people that are sharing stuff here. So he says, gaining traction with 1,000+ impressions for the first time. My LinkedIn post typically has 1 to 300 impressions, and I never get more than 500. After using Evie AI consistently and posting 3 times a week, I got my first post with over 1,000 impressions. This may not be a big deal for some of you, but to me, it's amazing. As an A-type driven personality, I often move from one accomplishment to the next without celebrating. Today, I'm celebrating this milestone achievement, and I want to say thank you. It's our success. Wow. Huge success. You are doing it right, and this community is amazing. Okay? I'm going to press comment. I just left a comment here, so you see we're having a conversation with these CEOs, these media trainers, these doctors. They're all getting together, building relationships. Oh, we got some more celebrations here. Jenny says, I got my first top voice badge for leadership. Wow. Wow, she got her top voice badge for leadership. That's so nice. Rick says, do you have experience of perplexity? We replied to that already. Okay, good. All right, let's see what he said over here. Done, 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 and done. So we're here supporting each other and building relationships inside this wonderful community. Now let me check in on the second community. This is the AI for LinkedIn community, and see what's cooking over here. Look how many comments and posts and activity. We have 217 members right now. 5 of them are online. And as you can see, there's a May 2024 challenge. Let's see. Hey Joe, I'm in. I love the idea very much, especially I'll hold myself accountable at the end of the day. Thank you so much. Well done. Well done. Okay, I'm going to press reply. Happy Mother on the blessed way. Great job. Okay, I'm going to press reply. So now I just replied to him. I said, great job. I connected with him. See that? Right over here, just like that. Let me lower this to the bottom. Boom. Okay, I am actually using a tool right now called OBS. So I can zoom to the right, zoom to the left. I can do desktop with no camera. I can do presentation mode. I can do center zoom with my camera. I can do just rectangle camera. Hello, hello, hello. So I am messing around with all the different scenes that I can have here. I kind of like this scene. So I'm going to be using this one the most, but I'm going to be building out other scenes as well that allow me to be able to kind of present what I'm doing, and at the same time for you to see me talking. So I don't even know what I sound like right now, so I'm going to go back and watch this, but this is really a test. And maybe even a testament to what's possible. Not just a test, it's also a testament. Okay, so hopefully you got some value from this today. You saw me working on LinkedIn. My goal is to do 244 days. I'm up to 74, so I got ways to go. Ways to go. How do you consistently, Joe, how consistent do I need to be to grow to 13 to, okay, so this is a great question he asked. Bill asked a question. I'm going to accept his connection request because I see he's engaging with me. And let me see how many connections. You have 13,000 connections. So it's really just about adding connections. To get more followers, it's really just about adding connections. Being part of a community helps also. If you would like help on some AI automations to help you expand your connections every day, I'm going to give you a buzz to talk to you about that. I'm going to drop, the more comments you drop also, the more followers you get. That's really what I found. Every comment will often produce some followers. So I highly recommend you consider dropping comments. Absolutely resonated with your insights, Bill Murphy. Your journey as an entrepreneur mirrors the many challenges and triumphs I've encountered in my own path. Bill Murphy. Reminds me of a conversation I had with Bill Murphy. No, you're starting to keep sharing wisdom. Okay, I'm gonna delete half this. Oh, I don't know what happened. Oh, this turned into mobile real quick. All right, so I'm gonna delete half this comment. You don't need to keep the whole comment there. I'm gonna tag Bill. See, I'm gonna tag him. I'm gonna press post. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look up his contact information right here on LinkedIn. So I'm gonna click on this contact info button. And as you can see, his phone number is right here. So I'm gonna just give him a buzz on his phone number. But I'm going to use my CRM to do that. So how do I use my CRM to do that? Well, what I need to do is I just need to log into my CRM briefly. This is my CRM here. And I'm going to I'm going to first search to see if he's already in my CRM. Let me get out of this. Let me go into this. I'm going to copy his name, just like this. I'm going to search. See, nothing comes up for his name. I'm going to press add. I'm going to add his first name, his last name. Now I'm also going to grab some more information here, like his email address, pop it in here, and his phone number, pop it in here just like that. Okay, I'm going to select mobile. Well, it does say work, but I'll just say mobile over here, and I'm going to press save on the bottom, little green button, and now he's saved. When I click on search here and I pull up his name, that pulls up his name right over here. Okay, and I'm going to put a note here. I'm going to press add, and I'm going to press Windows H. He wants to grow his followers from 13,000 to 30,000. And I think I have the automation that will really help him be able to accomplish his goal. So I'm going to give him a call and see what he says about implementing some AI automation in his business that will help him get to his goal. I'm going to press save. I just hit save. So I just typed all this up with my mouth. I just spoke it all. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into his profile here. Actually, I'm going to go into the AI and give him a buzz right now, see if he picks up the phone. And if he does pick up, I'll end the live and I'll have a conversation with him. Let's see what happens. Let's rock and roll, baby. I don't know if he's actually going to. Hi, Bill. Good. Do you have a moment to talk right now? All right, so let me end the LinkedIn live so I can chat with you. Everybody watching, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. I'm going to